And we begin tonight with breaking news on former President Trump as we await news on any possible indictment from a grand jury here in New York involving hush money. Word on that indictment could come as early as tomorrow. Tonight here, ABC News learning about a separate case, the special counsel investigating classified documents at Mar-a-Lago. Tonight, a judge determining the special counsel has presented compelling preliminary evidence that the former president might have broken the law by knowingly misleading his own lawyers when they filed sworn statements that the special counsel believes the former president knew were untrue. Now, all of this tonight as authorities prepare for any possible reaction to the grand jury here in New York City. Again, if there is an indictment, it could come any day now, as early as tomorrow. Of course, we do not know if the grand jury in New York will indict, nor do we know if this news involving the special counsel means the former president will be charged in that case. But all of this coming to a head as the nation watches and a former president runs for president again. ABC's Jonathan Karl leading us off again this evening.
As the NYPD puts up barricades around a Manhattan courthouse with Donald Trump on the verge of possibly becoming the first American president to be indicted, tonight ABC News has learned of a significant new development in one of the federal investigations he faces. Sources tell ABC News a federal judge has ruled that the special counsel investigating Trump's handling of classified documents has presented compelling preliminary evidence that Trump broke the law. Judge Beryl Howell's order is sealed, but the sources who described its contents to ABC News say she wrote that special counsel Jack Smith has made, quote, a prima facie showing that the former president had committed criminal violations by knowingly misleading his attorneys so that they would file a sworn statement that he knew was false. That sworn statement came in June, when Trump's lawyers certified that a diligent search of his Mar-a-Lago estate determined he had turned over all the classified documents in his possession. The special counsel convinced the judge the evidence was strong that the lawyers filed that statement because Trump had misled them. 2 months later, when FBI agents searched the premises, prosecutors say they found more than 100 additional classified documents, including some in Trump's office desk.
The shameful raid and break-in of my home, Mar-a-Lago, was a travesty of justice.
Sources tell ABC News the judge ordered Trump lawyer Evan Corcoran to hand over a number of records, including handwritten notes, invoices, and transcriptions of audio recordings related to what she called Trump's alleged criminal scheme. The judge's order doesn't mean Trump is guilty or that he will be charged in that case, but rather that prosecutors have made a case that they have preliminary evidence he may have committed a crime. All of this comes amid anticipation Trump will be indicted in that entirely different case brought by Manhattan District Attorney Alvin Bragg. That case involves hush money payments made to porn star Stormy Daniels in the days before the 2016 election. A grand jury could hand up charges as early as tomorrow. The former president has called for his supporters to protest.
And John Karl with us here in New York tonight. And John, obviously, you know, but just to keep this clear for everyone at home, these are two separate cases here. In the New York City case, this hush money case, we know a possible indictment could come as early as tomorrow, but we simply still do not know.
Yeah, we don't know. A lot of speculation about this, much of it coming from Donald Trump himself, but we don't know if the indictment is coming. If it does, Trump would be ordered to come to New York for booking just like any other criminal defendant. Typically, that would include things like fingerprinting and the taking of a mugshot.
Now, this other case that you're breaking news on right here this evening involves the special counsel, obviously, Jack Smith, who's looking into both January 6th and the classified documents at Mar-a-Lago. Now, this is a federal judge who has determined that the special counsel has presented enough evidence, compelling evidence, that the former president may have known that what his attorney signed simply wasn't true.
And David, this is especially significant because what the special counsel is investigating, the alleged crimes that he is investigating, are significantly more serious than what is being investigated by the Manhattan DA. And in fact, Donald Trump has already responded to our reporting tonight, a rather lengthy statement where he attacks the special counsel, saying that they are investigating, quote, false allegations.
All right. John Karl, Catherine Falders, our entire team on this tonight. Our thanks to you all.
Hi, everyone. George Stephanopoulos here. Thanks for checking out the ABC News YouTube channel. If you'd like to get more videos, show highlights, and watch live event coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to download the ABC News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.